How to make Instagram account go back to normal account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can make Instagram account go back to normal account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application in a mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. From your home page, navigate to your profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on it. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now here, if you have a professional account, then as you can see, there is a professional dashboard just below your account name. That means you have a professional account. Now to convert or to change this account back to personal account, here's how you can do it. From your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. That's gonna take you to your settings and activity page. Here, you have to scroll down a bit, and under the section that says for professionals, there you will find one option that says creator tools and controls. Tap on it. Now you will have a bunch of options here. Scroll down a bit and head towards the option you will find at the last or the fourth last that says switch account type. Tap on it. Now you have two options, switch to business account, which you already have. Now to take back to your normal profile, tap on switch to personal account. And here confirm by tapping on switch to personal account. Wait for a while, it may take some time, and after that your professional account will be switched back to personal account. Now head back to your profile. You can refresh the page and there you go. Now you have a normal profile or normal account. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.